Yes, very good evening, student. Today we are going to start with the new chapter. This is the health and hygiene. So, health is what? Health is the term health is the broad sense means the body is fit physically, mentally, and there is a general well-being. So, this means health. Health means we are in the well-being state, and the body is physically and mentally fit at all. Disease are generally classified. Disease is what? Disease when the body doesn't feel fit. When the normal functioning of the body is disturbed, the disease means what? When the normal functioning of the body is disturbed, the person may be suffering from any disease. It means there is some issue with the health. So that we call disease. Disease may be caused due to the metabolic malfunctioning of the organs or due to the deficiency of nutrients. Disease can be caused by both of any of the reason. It may be caused due to the metabolic malfunctioning of any of the organ or due to the deficiency of nutrients. So diseases are generally classified into the two types: communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. It means the diseases can be caused, they can be communicable and non-communicable. Here we know that what is disease: when the body, the functioning of the body is disturbed, okay, then it means the person is suffering from some disease. So diseases are of two type: communicable and non-communicable. Today we are going to discuss about the communicable diseases only, okay. So this is a lengthy chapter, so we are going to discuss about the communicable diseases. The communicable diseases are what? They are the caused by the germs, means they are caused by germs. They are transmitted from an infected person to the healthy person. We know that communicable diseases, they are one of the thing, there are the causative organisms are there, so they are the germs are there, they can be transmitted from the infected to healthy person, okay, like the corona is going on, is the same disease, communicable disease. So when we come in contact with the infected person, the other person is also infected. So these kind of diseases are called the communicable diseases, okay. Communicable diseases are also called the infectious diseases because we just when we sit with some infectious person, the disease person, then we also got infection. So they are called the infectious diseases. Common cold, measles, rabies, they are the diseases like the communicable diseases, okay. So here are the causal casual organisms are, okay. Then the organism which cause these communicable diseases are, they are the communicable diseases are caused by the entry of germs in the body, okay. So these disease causing germs are called the pathogens. So we know the pathogens are what? Because they are caused by the entry of the germs in the body, and these germs are called the pathogens. We know that the pathogens are what? Pathogens basically, they are the disease causing germs. The germs, those का disease are called the pathogens. Pathogens and maybe pathogen may be virus हो सकते हैं, virus, it can be virus, can be bacteria. You know that corona is a viral disease, ना? It can be bacteria, can be fungi, it can be protozoa, it can be worm or mites, it can be any there. So these are the communicable diseases. They are caused by any of the pathogens, and pathogens basically cause pathogens cause different kind of diseases. In the case of the disease caused by the virus, we call the viral diseases, okay. Viruses are very minute, are active only in the living cell. When they are in the air, they are inactive, and when they come in contact with the living cell virus, they act like the living organism. They need a living cell to multiply. So when they come inside the living organism, they start multiplying, reproduction they start, and cause the viral diseases. So the many of the viral diseases are there. Common cold is a viral disease, okay. So it's a very common disease. Then influenza is the viral disease, okay. Measles is the viral disease. So there are many of the viral diseases are there. Then rabies, okay. We know the this is again is a Viral rabies is what? The virus that causes rabies attack the central nervous system of the person. You know that this disease, rabies disease, is caused by the bite of the dogs. Okay, the person has difficulty in swallowing food and is afraid of water. ठीक है, हाइड्रोफोबिया हो जाता है उसको. So the person just afraid of water. Chicken pox, very common. Conjunctivitis is then yellow fever, then polio, dengue, jaundice. Okay, so there are so many diseases. AIDS is again the viral diseases. There are so many viral diseases. Many of diseases are caused by the bacteria like cholera, typhoid, plague, diphtheria, pneumonia, tuberculosis, tetanus, whooping cough. They all are the very common diseases caused by the bacteria. Fungal infection is also there. The fungal diseases are there. They're caused by the fungi. So ringworm infection, it can be athlete foot, it can be there. Protozoa, malaria. Malarial parasite is, you know, that malaria, it causes malaria. Amoebic dysentery, it there. Then there are many of the diseases that cause of the worm. Okay, then filariasis is there, ascariasis is there, tetanus is there. Okay, and some of the there are, it means they all are the diseases, communicable diseases, that are caused by these all of the uh, pathogens basically. So they can be spread from the infected to the disease free person, healthy person. So it can create an issue with that. They can be spread very quickly. Okay, with the help of the germs.